everybody. I hope that you all are doing well. Thank you for you all who happen to be here to learn about how to take better photo with your iPhone. It could be iPhone 6, iPhone 10, any phone, literally, you can literally follow this class. So my name is Glory. I'm going to be presenting this class, and you can find me on Instagram at Insta Earth Motivation. So without further ado, I want to let you know that this course will be very, very technical. I'm going to show you how to take better photo with your iPhone. So here is a little bit about what we're going to be learning today. So this is the course overview. We're going to start by taking a photo, then we're going to compose, and then we're going to learn a little bit about lighting, and then we're going to be learning about how to create connections, and then how to edit your photos. So here we go. So I want you now to take your phone and take 3 photos with your iPhone or with any phone you have. Do it really quickly. And then what we're going to do, we're going to upload that photo that you took on the project page. So please take your 3 photos and upload them on your project page.